Now, ladies and gentlemen, please direct your attention to the screen for a short video presentation. Of the Kia Sportage CKD. And now it's time for a photo opportunity with our esteemed VIPs and the Kia Sportage CKD. May we invite Tan Sri Dato Sri Banyo, Executive Chairman of Burma's Auto Berhad, Dr. Francis Lee, Group Chief Executive Officer of Burma's Auto Berhad, Dr. Wong Kim Foo, Managing Director of Dynamic Jaya Motors, Mr. Kevin Art, President and CEO of Kia Asia Pacific Center Berhad, Dr. Samson Anand George, Vice President Asia Pacific Operations of Kia Asia Pacific Center Berhad, Paul Sun, Head of Sales Kia Asia Pacific, and James Choi, CEO of Kia Malaysia. A big round of applause please, ladies and gentlemen, for the exciting unveiling of the Kia Sportage CKD. Woo!